Okay, so we're at a place called Yellowstone Ranch. It's like a steakhouse and that. It's on Jalan Plawa in Seminyak, I suppose. Just going to go in and have lunch and check it out. So, all right. So it's pretty big in here. Apparently they've got really good steaks. Now overnight and that, when it gets busy and that, they've got the bucking bull. They get this thing going. Have you ever seen those mechanical bulls before? It's a nice place. It's very nice. It's got a nice high roof. You can buy merchandise from here, Yellowstone merchandise by the look of it. Got the big kitchen, they make all the food. Very good. And it's also got a nice bar. So anyway, we'll see what the food's like.
Yeah. One vanilla milkshake with the chicken enchiladas, and do you want some one water, and do you want a tenderloin, medium to well done, with the jacket potato
and
with
mushroom sauce
with the salad.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Wait a moment for your order. Thank you so much.
So we've got a nice little fish pond out here with all the koi fish in there. Some big ones in there. Check that out. Right, so there's a little tattoo place just up a couple of doors up. They've got a deal with them, so if you come in here, you can get branded, you can get the Y tattoo free. As you can see, people are getting the tattoo. If you purchase a meal, you get the free tattoo. Apparently these girls over here are going to get the free tattoo. All right, so I've got a group of girls here from Australia, and they're going to get the Y Yellowstone branded tattoo. So what are you doing that for? Just going to get really drunk and get a tattoo? Or
Why not, right?
Why not? That's the way.
I love Yellowstone Ranch.
Well, we do love Yellowstone.
It's nice in here, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, girls, have a good day. Thank you. All right, so this is the Yellowstone chefs. How are you? I think that might be my steak cooking over there on the grill, which is good.
Good morning.
Morning. All right, so this is where the magic happens, the Yellowstone kitchen. Got a really good bar here. You got everything. It's all real alcohol. You can buy any sort of drink, cocktail and beers and that at the Yellowstone bar. Thank you. Wow, check that out. Right, so you usually got enchiladas. It's pretty good. Okay, so check that out. That's the tenderloin steak and it looks good. I got a salad, got mashed potato, and it's got cheese on top of the mashed potato. Looks like some butter maybe. Yep, some butter. And there's tenderloin steak, and it's pretty thick actually. It looks pretty good. And some mushroom sauce. So mushroom gravy looks good. Put a bit of that on and try it out. See what it's like. And you usually got the Mexican food, the enchiladas. So you get 2 enchiladas, some like corn chips and salad as well. Okay, so let's try this steak out, see what it's like. It's pretty thick, that's for sure. Oh, it's nice and tender. A bit of mushroom gravy on it. Not too bad, it's got a good taste. They've grilled it with black pepper and stuff like that on it. So yeah, it tastes pretty good. Oh no, this is actually like a jacket potato. So it's actually like half a potato. It's a jacket potato, and then they've mashed all the potato and put it back inside and melted cheese on top. So it's not mashed potato, it's a jacket potato, which is looks pretty good. I'll try that out. Put a bit of butter on top of it. A bit of butter on the steak too, why not? I don't like a bit of butter on the steak. It's a really thick steak. It's Aussie beef, so yeah, it's pretty good actually, very good. Salad, looks like a bit of coleslaw with salad underneath it. And it's got like a ranch dressing on it. Pretty good. Okay. I'm going to hook into this steak. I'll get back to you when I finish. So what's your enchiladas like? Tastes alright?
No.
Have you tried it yet? The enchilada? Yeah? So has it got that proper Mexican taste or?
Onion guacamole.
Oh, it's guacamole. What's in it? Chicken? Yeah? Alright. It looks pretty good anyway. The jacket potato, they've filled it with mashed solid potato, put it back in. It's actually got bacon in it as well. Bacon and then melted cheese on top. Put a bit of butter on it. Tastes really good. Very good. Shit. Yeah, it's pretty good. Steak's good, brilliant. Try a bit. One little bite. Huh? So in the Yellowstone, they've got a huge screen there and a couple of other televisions going. So they're playing Yellowstone, Kevin Costner's series Yellowstone on television all the time. They've also got Rodeo from America live on the television, and it's got that rural country feel, and yeah, it really is a good place. So come in and check out the Yellowstone. It's got a good atmosphere. Apparently overnight you've got to book because it really does get busy, and it gets really partying every night apparently. So I'll put the Google Map link in the description of this place. Now it's really close to Legian Street. It's probably only about 50 metres off Legian Street down in Seminyak. I'll whack the map up now so you can have a good look where it is. And yeah, I'll tell you what, it's probably one of the better steaks that I've had around Bali for a long time. It's nice and thick, juicy steak, and well worth it. About 25 bucks, but well worth it. Okay, so Yuli couldn't eat all hers. It was too big, so she's going to get it taken home. Anyway, that was really good. Yellowstone, come and check it out. Great place, great steaks. Okay, so the owner, if you come in here regularly or a few times, you can get one of these cards. You get a 20% discount. So I just spoke to the owners before, told them I was doing a video. They give me the card, so we got the 20% discount. It was, how much was it?
$368.
It was $368, about $34 for the steak, the enchiladas, and 2 drinks, which is pretty good. The steak was 25 bucks, but it was a 250 gram steak, and it's really good actually, really worth it. So anyway, that's the deal at the Yellowstone.